do I do it now?
It's going to be dangling.
Hang on, it's going to go. Something to shake. Shake it.
It goes really nice actually with the pure.
Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
Yeah. That's really pretty. Inside, probably curious. Thank you, Jane.
Hollyhocks.
Dry and we need to cut the
Beautiful. You're fantastic. Have a hug.
Thanks.
Try not to smudge your makeup. My wife looks fantastic as well.
They're just teasing you.
She's done a runner. She's changed her mind. Cheers, cheers. Oh, amazing.
So Matt, when I met you at 21 years old and we were in New Orleans, I never imagined that nearly a decade later we'd be standing here today and about to get married.
Amy, I couldn't think of anyone best to be spending the rest of my life with.
I promise to help support you with your aversion to many foods and help you understand the menu at a restaurant.
I promise to forever make you the milkiest cups of tea in the world, even when you only just drink half of them and leave the cups all over the house. So I promise to keep cleaning up all the mugs as well. I love you very, very much.
I love you.
Oh,
So Amy and Matt, as you have now both made a solemn and binding promise, it gives me great pleasure to declare that you are now both legally married. Congratulations, you!
And finally, thanks to Amy, my beautiful wife. I feel so lucky to be with you. You're so kind. Listen. I feel so lucky to be with you. You're so kind and caring, and I couldn't think of anyone better to be sharing the rest of my life with. And despite calling me Tiny Tim, which is in reference to my legs, honestly, I do love you very much. Very, very much.